The more people know about your journey, the more they will try to hold you back. That's why the most powerful transformations happen in silence. There is something unstoppable about going invisible, about working in the shadows while the world underestimates you. Because when you return, you won't just be different, you'll be unrecognizable. But here's the secret. By the time you're ready to step back into the light, you won't even care anymore. Because you'll have discovered the only opinion that matters, your own. This is how to disappear and transform yourself. Stop explaining your plans. Stop broadcasting your progress. Stop looking for validation. True growth happens in silence. Speak only through results. Use this time to obsess over your goals. Upgrade your mind. Strengthen your body. Master your craft. Every day, every hour, should be moving you forward. Not everyone deserves access to you. Cut out the distractions. Protect your time. Turn off the noise and lock in. One day, you'll be ready. You'll have built something so powerful that the world will have no choice but to notice. But here's the twist. You won't need their approval anymore. Because the real transformation won't be what they see. It'll be what you've become.